All right, this is from Unit 2 review, question number 6. And I'm asked to algebraically find the zeros of this. And you'll notice that each one of these terms here has an x in it. So to make life a lot easier, I'm going to pull out an x. So if I pulled an x out, let's change the color there, I'd be left with x squared minus x minus 20. And this is your standard trinomial or quadratic equation. Anytime I see something like that, I should attempt to factor. So I have an x on the outside, and then I'm going to go ahead and factor this out. X and x, those are the only leading terms that would give me x squared. I notice my last terms are going to multiply to negative 20, and my signs have to be different, so plus minus. And then I'm looking for numbers that multiply to 20 and add or subtract to negative 1. And I'm going to try 4 and 5. And I will put the 4 here, and I'll put the 5 here. I might have to flip-flop these. I might have to change my signs. When I'm checking with FOIL, I don't waste my time checking this part of FOIL, the first. X times x is x squared. I know it. I don't waste my time checking this part of FOIL, the last. I know positive 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. But I do check my outers and my inners. Here's my inners, 4x. Here's my outers, negative 5x. And when I combine those, it does make negative 1. All right, my zeros. Okay, I want to know what would create a 0 y value in these coordinates. And it's pretty easy. I can just eyeball it from here. I notice this one out here. The only thing that would create a 0 in that entire function is if I had a 0 in that spot. So my first answer is just 0, comma. Then I look here. I notice the only x value that would make a 0 in that first set of parentheses is negative 4. And these are not in order. I probably should put them in order. I'll fix that here in a second. And then last but not least, the only thing in this set of parentheses here that would create a 0 is 5. Now to put them in the proper order, like a number line, I'd probably switch out negative 4 here and 0 here, and that's my final answer. Now again, a nice way to check this is I can type it into my calculator here, and I can make sure that these are the zeros that are created from both of those functions.